Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're doing the Nature Fun spin wheel. And
should we show them everything that's on the wheel?
yeah.
Here, just hold it towards me. Hold it towards me. Let's go on a bike ride, go metal detecting, play catch, go fishing, carve sticks, high five a stranger and tell them they're awesome, fly your drone, Dad runs a mile, magnet fishing, Easton does 25 push-ups, go on a bike ride, and go metal detecting. All right, should we kick this thing off with a bang?
Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell.
Perfect, and we got all of our gear back here. We got our bikes, we got all of our gear, our water, our drones, our tackle boxes, helmets. We got everything we need. All right, let's go. Oh, baby, what's it gonna be? Let's see.
Easton does 25 push-ups.
Easton does 25 push-ups, go. That's a good one to start on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, good, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, one more, 25, all right, ooh, 26, atta boy. Hey, let's give it a one more spin real quick. Let's see what's happening. Tired yet? Oh, that was awesome. Go fishing. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
We got a little creek up there. We're going fishing.
Yeah, you get to film it.
All right, let's go. Let me see a good one. Oh. Here you go. Good job. Are the fish biting today? Are they biting? I don't know. Remember, you gotta reel it in just a little bit to get the click. There you go. No fish yet.
No, we caught no fish, but
Hold on. What? We caught no what?
fish.
Fish? Yeah, that was a bummer.
Yeah,
Let's see what else we're doing. No. Spin again.
Right.
And it says Dad runs 1 mile. High five a stranger and tell them they're awesome. All right.
I'm gonna go by some then.
All right. You know, there's people coming right here. Let's go up here. Should we wait for them?
Yeah.
All right, we're gonna wait for them. We'll be right back. All right, hold on. There's a stranger. Go ahead.
You're awesome.
Thank you.
Right.
You're awesome too.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
All right, have her spin the next wheel. See what we're doing next.
Oh,
that's fun.
All right, what's it say?
Magnet fishing.
Magnet
that sounds
fishing.
like fun.
All right, well, thank you.
You're
All
welcome.
Thank you.
right, nice job. Yeah, that wasn't bad. All right, let's get the magnet fishing going. Yes, sir. We're magnet fishing. Hold on. Don't step on the rope because it's going to drag you in with it. Don't fall in, please. Easton. Okay. Fail.
First fail.
You want me to help?
Yeah.
All right. Go grab the end. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. Whoa. All right, let's see if we got anything. Start pulling her in. What if we pull out a motorcycle?
Oh, God. Right, this isn't that.
It's not that heavy. Keep pulling. Keep pulling. Come on. It's all out of focus. There you go. You feel like you got anything? It does?
A little heavier.
It's a little heavier?
Yeah.
All right, keep pulling. I need you to keep pulling. All right, now hold on. This is where we gotta be careful. Grab it. Anything? Nothing?
How did people get stuff?
And all right, we went magnet fishing. What'd you catch? Let me see.
A big metal stone, it looks like.
Big metal stone.
Yeah,
Think there's diamonds in it?
maybe. We had to
Maybe. Hold it up here. Let's see it up close. Here, take your baseball mitt off. Ooh, look at that thing. Yeah, I bet you. Maybe we try to crack it open. Maybe there's some kind of metal inside of it.
Yeah. We'll try to crack it open right now.
All right. We'll be back. Hey, let's spin the wheel real quick.
Yeah.
Let's see what we're doing next. All right. I'm going to hold it. You give it a big spin.
I know what it's about.
Go on a bike ride. We've already done that. Spin it again. Magnet fishing. Just did it. Spin it again. How you doing? Oh.
We did that.
You said 25 push-ups. Let's bust out 25 more push-ups. All right, folks. Here's your 25 push-ups. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18,
How much?
19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. All right, let's give it another spin.
6, 27.
Ooh, 27. Well, let's get a good one. Let's get something we haven't done. Spin it. Spin it. High five a stranger and tell them they're awesome. You've done that.
I'll have to do it again.
Want to do it again?
Yeah.
All right, go. Here, right here, right here. Go.
Do you want to be a part of my YouTube channel?
Give him a high five.
I'm a little too old for that.
Hey, here's with a shot. All right. Oh, look what it fell on. Oh, it was just on the purple one. What's the purple one? Carve sticks. Let's go carve some sticks. Let's get your knife.
God.
Carve some sticks. Yep, keep holding it away from your body. You got a good point on that one. Is this gonna be a spear?
Yeah.
Spear fishing?
Yeah.
All right, don't go that fast. There you go, that's perfect, just like that. There you go. Hold that thing up here close. Let me see that. That looks pretty good. Oh, not that close. Here. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. Ah, no. There you go. All right. Tell your YouTubers we'll be back.
We'll be back later. Just.
All right, time to play some catch. Almost. Remember to point your glove. There you go. Ooh. Let's see if you can throw it this far. Point your glove. Nice. Nice. Here we go. Let's make a good catch. Oh, in and out. Good glove point. That would hurt my fingers. Oh, so close. Good throw. One more. Let's catch it. Oh, come on. We got to show them how we catch one. You just caught like 5 in a row. Nice. There we go. Nice. Boop. All right, here we go. Hey, Bada. Hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada. We probably should have brought more than one ball.
Yeah.
That was silly. Here we go. Hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada. Swing, Bada, hey, Bada. Oh, jeez. That's a good one. That was a good one. Hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada, hey, Bada. Hey, Bada. Swing, Bada. Nice hit. Faster. This trail is so cool. Yeah. All right, let's go quick. Come on, baby. Yeah, there we go. Get out of that saddle. Woo! You're cruising.